Hello friends, welcome to Charlotte's Artistry. Today we'll be seeing how to make a photo frame like this using cardboard and tree branches.
I have taken a picture and cut it into desired shape. Mark the shape on a chart paper and cut out the shape. Take a cardboard and mark the position where the picture has to be placed. Apply some glue around the shape and stick the picture. I have used a color Xerox for this. You can also use original photo. Now apply some glue and stick an OHP sheet over the photo. OHP sheet will protect the photo and also it gives a neat finishing. Now place the chart paper over the OHP sheet and stick the corners. Give a thick line around the picture using hot glue. This is to secure the chart and OHP sheet and also to define the frame. Now start coloring the frame. I'm using poster colors for this. You can also use fabric paint. Take thin branches and use it to decorate the frame. Use brown and black color to give a forest look during the night time. Highlight the sides of the branches with white color. This is to give a moonlight effect. Mark 2 midpoints from the back side. Take a thread and join the thread to the points. Now secure it using a bead. This will serve as a hanger. Now our photo frame is ready. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.